Hello, we are going for an art event at a friend's house. It's gonna be so interesting. And my outfit for the event.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. 'Cause every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar Ooh, that sugar Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that.
You have from yellow to two different red ones. You have a permanent pink, some kind of magenta, three greens, and one black color. And later on we will get some golden, but it's acrylic, so I will give you later so it doesn't dry. Okay. Okay. So now open your watery brush. I had water, and I take bit of the color, just really little, and I use this snap here, and I go into the whole area, and I try to make it just very light. So that's the light. And now how I create the shadow, I just take more of the color, just really more, and try to make the brush with more of the pigment, and I go, so here I want light on the top and I want dark on the bottom. So I go with more color here, and I do this. Oh, cool. And now I see the water is starting to blend, so I put more of the pigment here, and then I just spread it towards the light. So that's the first exercise. So let's try it, and that's why we have more.
Oh, you're so amazing, you make me feel alright. The temperature's rising, take me for a ride. Oh, it's so amazing, we got the chemistry. Regular hearts when you kiss me, I see. Oh, I think I got you on my mind.
It's very good if you do realistic painting to do this technique, because then you get it right. If you want to be more artistic in a way, to have some stylization, then you do it with your hand.
I think I
is kind of covering, so it's not a watercolor, so it will pop up a bit. And it really gives some metal.
I'm winning. I guess I keep touching the gold without even trying. I'm feeling the weight of the blade and its force, but I won't stop having fun. I'm feeling fine. Tonight's the night. No one in sight. I'm winning this little war. Place your bet on me. I'm winning this 1, 2, 9. I'm blinded by your headline. The race is on, hold on tight. I ain't gonna lose this fight. I'm winning. In less than a minute, I'm gone. So don't try to catch me. I'm speeding. I think I've already divorced the loser inside of me. I'm feeling fine. Tonight's the night.
Viva the event.
The first two
Oh,
songs
amazing. Yes.
That's cool.
Did you like the painting?
Yes, very much.
Und wie war's?
So inspirierend.
Yeah. How was it? Um,
With a couple of phones, don't be like, like no, but just do it, yeah?
how was it?
Really bad on doing pictures.
How was the event?
It was great, amazing. Look at this.
Yeah, perfection. Yours?
I am so sorry. Very proud of it.
Yes.
So great. Okay, guys, come on, stand.
And how was it?
I love it.
Good.